Hello, family, prepare and order with me. A customer called me that she wants bread but gluten free, and she suggested millets. So I had to buy millet and start working on them, selecting the stones from the millet, and then this is the amount of stone I got when I selected, and then I used the usual method of selecting stones, because no matter how you handpick them, you will still find stones in millet. So it's better you use the water method to separate them. So this is how I do it. I scoop some of the millet in a calabash. If you don't use calabash, I don't think it's going to be possible. So you see the stones I got, then I'll scoop the water, wash it, shake it, and then pour the millet. So while you shake it, the stones will settle under, you see. So this is the first wash, the stones I got. And then I did the second wash. So this is second wash that I'm doing. So the second wash, I didn't get much stone. So I did it like 3 times. Do you get it? 3 times. So this is my millet. So these are the stones I got, the one I selected, you see. So what I'm going to do is to dry the millet in the sun. So I dried it in the sun. Make sure that it is well dry. Yes, you have to dry it very well, so you see, completely dry. Yes. And then the next thing is to go and then grind it or mill it. So I took it to the milling side to mill it, and then this is it after milling it. So the next thing that I did after is to start with the baking. So I'm actually going to make millet and oats bread, and then I also make millet and pumpkin bread. The millet and pumpkin bread, I decided to make it in a cake form. Okay. So this is the millet and oats bread that I've started. That one I added yeast to it to make the bread. Yes. So I'm adding all my ingredients together. I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I bake different types of wheat bread, oat wheat bread, wheat corn bread, wheat soya bread, wheat banana bread, wheat seed and nuts bread. I bake varieties of them. I'll leave them in the comment section. So this is it. I allowed it to rise, and then I'm going to knead it and then mold it into my my baking pan. So this, I'm going to divide it into two. So I'm going to get two smaller size. This from this one. Okay. So I add raisins to my bread. Yes, I don't add sugar. I use honey. I don't use margarine. I use coconut oil. So I added the raisins, you see. So just allow it to rise again. This is it, and I'm going to bake it now. Putting them into my oven. So this is it after baking. It was late. It was evening. So I have to package it, and then this is the next day that I'm working on the pumpkin and the millet cake. Yes, with the pumpkin and the millet, if I decide to make it a bread, use yeast to make it, will not work. So this is it. So I'm done, and I'm packaging it for my client. So I have to make it in a cake form. Do you get it? Okay, so this is the oat and millet bread that I made. If you are not health conscious, you will not enjoy it. Yes. This one is for those who are health conscious. Okay, so packaging it for my customer. So bring your orders, okay, guys. I'm waiting. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching me. Have a blessed day. Follow me on YouTube, Ma's Kitchen. Bye bye.